something came in the post. Looks like book mail. Says it's from Ingram Content Group AU. I think I know what it is. So, looking into it. Yep. That's what I thought it was. Spawn 2. Edited by Deborah Sheldon. Published by IFWG. And it is more weird horror tales about pregnancy, birth, and babies. Published 2024, coming out soon. And let's have a look who is in the contents. Body of Work by Lily Mulholland. Too Full by Darren Pitta. Mother of Horrors by Emma Rose Darcy. The Tea and Sugar Train by Deborah Sheldon. Chop Shop by Samuel M. Johnson. Stale by M. Starr. Punch in Hell by Dimitri Akers. Respect by Carol Kelly. Latch by H.K. Stubbs. Oh, that's me. Envelopes by Matt Teague. Flesh of My Flesh by Ben Matthews. Two Sides of a Coin by Robin O'Sullivan. We Have Children Now by Anthony O'Connor. The 10th Life by Pauline Yates. Bitten, A Love Story by Danny Ringrose. Grizzle by Jason Franks. These Bloody Lines by Liam Peterson. Leech by Rowan Hill. The Green Woman by Rachel Denham White. Water is the Womb of the World by Matthew R. Davis. In War with Time for Love of You by Carol Riles. The Stranger in My Yard by Kat Pekin. Ooh, awesome. I bet there's some very, very good stories in here. Yay!